Let's play detective in our own homes, looking for clues that pests have been partying without an invite. Check under sinks, in closets, and around windows regularly. Catching them red-handed early means fewer uninvited guests later. A clean home is a happy home, and guess what? It's a pretty unattractive one for pests. Regular vacuuming, wiping down surfaces, and keeping clutter to a minimum are like putting up a no vacancy sign for pests. Sealing up cracks and gaps closes the doors to a pest invasion. A little caulk here, some weather stripping there, and voila! Your home just got a lot less inviting to those critters. The moment you spot a pest, it's time to spring into action. Whether it's setting a trap, whipping up a DIY repellent, or calling in the pros, timely action stops pests from turning your home into their playground. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a healthier, pest-free home. We hope you found these tips helpful and empowering. Remember, you've got this. We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below with your own tips, questions, or success stories. Your feedback makes us all stronger and smarter. If you enjoyed this guide and want more like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on new tips and tricks. Together, let's keep our homes safe and sound.